step-by-step instructions of how to sharpen your images using Adobe Lightroom. If you have reached till this moment, be sure to hit that follow button. So, when you head to the detail panel, you must have seen the amount slider for sharpening. But sharpening everything makes your image look noisy, especially in smooth areas like skies or bokeh. So here's the trick. Use the masking slider. Hold down Alt or Option key while dragging the slider. This way Lightroom shows you exactly what is being sharpened. The white areas get sharpened, whereas the black areas stay untouched. This way you are sharpening only for the edges and details like furs or feathers, leaving the soft areas clean with no extra noise. As always, save this one for the next time and share it with someone who might need it.